As we have people still streaming in, let me tell you more about what we do. We have this daily webinar where Jin will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas for specific currency for each day. So Monday we'll be talking about the Aussie and Kiwi. Tuesday will be on Euro. Wednesday on Pound. Thursday on Yen and Gold. And Friday, which is today, we'll be talking about CAD. Let me launch a poll over here to let me know, is this your first time attending? Okay, found it. Okay, so today is Friday. Jin is going to talk about CAT. This webinar is going to be very beneficial to long-term investor or short-term traders. So during this session, Jin will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlighting potential targets and risks. Disclaimer, any information shared during this session is not intended to be trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and the views of the speaker. Please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. As I see, I believe that there's a couple of first timer here. Big welcome to you for coming to our currency call every morning. That's happening 11 a.m. from Monday to Friday. So I'm Kenneth here. I've known Jin for I think about 4 to 5 years now. First as a student, and after that I became a coach in LCMS, and after that now we are business partner in Forex Briefcase. Jin runs LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase, a trading coach and also a $1 million trader. What this means that he trades and also being invited to speak on many stages globally. So in fact, one of the reasons why you might be here is because you might have seen him presenting at an event or actually attended one of his course previously. Let me launch another poll to let me know actually where did you, how did you get here? So while we are filling out a poll, I'd like to share something, some exciting stuff with you guys on this LCMS Traders Club. On West. Sorry, give me a second. Close this. And here. Okay, so this is the LCMS Traders Club. So a little background of myself, a story. I used to be a a trader that has been trading alone for a very long time. So actually, during that time, I thought that I can always do it myself. So after I found that I haven't been doing very well, and a lot of times that I didn't really trade properly. So ultimately, one day I met Jin and also the LCMS traders, where actually he always like to pull us into groups and we look at the market and also trade together. So this is what is really happening on this LCMS Traders Club as well. So after being in this right, with trading together with all the synergy, and especially when we share our thoughts and ideas at daily, especially on this LCMS Traders Club, especially you see that Jason has been posting up charts and all these charts. So everybody over here, like there's a person, one person to like give up like what is the current market right now, while actually the rest of you can just go in and see all the analysis and you can, it's like a very shortcut for you instead of going into each chart to really go to analyze it by yourself. Actually this is something that after I've went into, right, it's and also during our LCMS traders days, we really have this trade together session, and also after that we have a group chat, we talk together and everything. It's like something is like this group where we actually share a lot of our trade ideas, and actually after that everybody do well together. Why? Because everybody is looking what could possibly move the prices, and also what is the things that to look out for and not to enter some of the trades. If you are not in this traders club, as I have seen this form that some of you guys has come in from this Facebook live and some Telegram channel, do join this traders club. And most importantly, what we have for this traders club, right, is to make money together. And other than that, right, we have a lot of information in it. So we have our, like, for example, our weekly live call, where actually every Monday, Jin will have we will have all the coaches and Jin together, where you can ask your own personal question on the trading. So if you like you're stuck somewhere, or actually you're actually having some difficulties in trading, you can actually join on our Monday weekly live call to actually get your answer question. And we have like signals, especially signals is actually very important. Those people from Telegram channel, I believe that you have seen all the free signal. So what we have here, right, we will have all the analysis over here, where Daniel will give you like his thoughts and ideas on why did he enter the pair, and all the previous news, like what is it all about, and where actually you can have a mindset of what we always look at the market and how we send out the signal as well. So we have like this currency watch list, where we have where we give you a currency watch list like almost every day to tell you what are the things that we are looking daily. And we have some where's the yeah, we have all the daily analysis over here. And especially we have like, you can go and take a look at the tutorial video over here, where actually all the coaching video on Wednesday, right, where on Wednesday evening at 8:30, where actually Daniel will give you some candlestick patterns and some information where how you're going to enhance your trading level into the next level. So like for example, on the last session, we talked about the divergent, where you can actually go and view the videos and re-see everything back again. And these videos will be always be there. So if you can just watch it at your own time, but it's best for you to join our live session so that you can get your question answered immediately. So there's still a lot more on this LCMS Traders Club, but I don't think that with this timing, I might give me another hour or so, then I can really explain fully on this LCMS Traders Club. So let me tell you that actually you can just click on the link, where I believe that Jin will already paste the link in on this LCMS Traders Club. It's just about 199, 49 a month, or actually a 199 a year. So it's actually less than $1 a day, which actually can really change your trading method and enhance into a next level, and especially all the trading psychology that you really need. And get on the 1 year is really a no-brainer, because it's just 199 a year only, and you can actually get your profits, or you can trade together, and you can learn and become a more advanced traders in this LCMS Traders Club, where we grow together as a team. So that's all I have for LCMS Traders Club. If you do have any question in there, do leave a message. You can chat in the chat over inside, or maybe you can send me a private message, where later I can tell you more about this LCMS Traders Club. So without any further ado, let me pass over to Jin to talk about today's analysis on the CAD. Jin.
Right. Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing today? I'll do it a little bit differently today. Kenneth, do you want to tell us your view of what the CAD is going to be? No? Are you sure you don't want to take over and tell me what your view and analysis is of CAD? If you think that Kenneth should be the one sharing his view of CAD today, put it in the chat. Say you want Kenneth to share his view. Put it in the chat. Come on. There are 40 something of you in here. Put in there. Jason said both. Well, Robbie says Kenneth. Rizal both. Vernon, yes. After me. Stevens messaged me privately and said, let's go, Kenneth. All right, so it sounds like it's a split decision, and I shall be nice, I'll do it. Kenneth looks like he's shaking like a leaf already. So a few things to share. I do recognize a lot of your names there. You have, or most of you are on the 4-day program. So if you can help me put it in the chat, what did you think of day 2, last night's part of the 4-day program. We talked about fundamentals. We talked about all the economics, the 7 economic news items that you want to pay attention to. Which one did you like the most? Put it in the chat. Which of the 7 did you like the most? And if you have not joined us on the live call last night, if you have not joined us in the LCMS 4-day FX Kickstarter program, I don't know what you're waiting for. Get onto Facebook, search LCMS 4-day FX Kickstarter and click join. Absolutely free to join. We are already on day 2 of the 4-day program. You can watch day 2 here. Those of you who have watch it again, right? You can watch it again and again. We have day 1 somewhere further down. That's day 1 there. That's going through all the basics. So day 1, day 2, it is all up there. It is not going to be there forever. We are going to take it down pretty soon. I'm not going to tell you when. I'm going to surprise you with that. But it will be available to Traders Club members on and on and on forever, because we are going to upload it in Traders Club. All right, so I hope that you are commenting in the chat. Oh, only a handful of you have done that. What do you like about the 7 news? Which ones did you like the most of? Come on, I need better effort from everyone. Give me a comment. Tell me which one did you like out of the 7. You can't choose all, Jason. You have to choose one. Good, good, good. All right. Okay. Surprised no one said building permits. I love building permits. I feel like that's the best one. All right. So if you did attend our session yesterday, you would have also noticed that we are going to be doing an NFP live trading session next Friday. So it's not tonight, it's to next week, Friday. We'll be doing an NFP live trading session. This is where I will be trading live account, live analysis on Zoom for everyone in Traders Club. All you have to do is make sure you're in Traders Club. Make sure you leave your comments. Say yes in the comments here. We already have about 40 something of you who have said yes. There is going to be a limit of up to 90. So we're halfway there. Make sure you say yes that you want to join, and we will send you the link by PM soon. All right, when I get it sorted, we'll send you the link. That will be next Friday. What I suggest you do leading up to this NFP trading session is make sure you have a live trading account. It should be, I would recommend the competition account, so that you not only make money, you also have a chance to win the competition and the cash prize. And then what you can try and do is follow my trades during the non-farm payrolls. I'll go through the analysis. First, before the news, we'll go through which pairs to look out for. In a good US news scenario, what to look out for. In a bad US news scenario, what to look out for, when to buy, when to sell. And then when the news comes out, we will start looking into the actual trades. And this will be quite short-term trades, looking at the 1 minute, 5 minutes, maybe even the 15-minute charts. Very, very seldom do you come across my live trading sessions. So you make sure, take the opportunity, learn how to do it properly, trade the news, the non-farm payroll. All you have to do is join LCMS Traders Club and then leave your comments below so that we can send you the link. Stephen just asked what time is the live trading session end. I don't know what time it will end. I know that it will start at about 8 o'clock because the news is at 8:30. So we're most likely to start at 8 o'clock, do the analysis, set up all our trade ideas. When the news comes out 8:30, start trading. If I'm making money and it keeps moving the way I want it to move, I will keep trading, and you can keep watching me. You can keep following my trades all the way till I've made enough money, which is very unlikely that I would have made enough money. I'll just keep trading. Or it could come to the point where it's 8:30, news comes out, doesn't have much trades, price not really moving. We might end it early at that point as well. Okay, so two different ways of, and this is exactly how you should be trading the news. If there are trades, keep going. No trades, don't force your trades. End early, call it a night, and at 8:30, go out for a drink until 10:30 because where you stop drinking. Okay, so make sure you're in for the NFP. Looking forward to some coffee money to spend next week. Yes, you can spend your coffee money on me. I will look forward to having more coffee. With that said, let's look at the news. Forex Trading Asia economic calendar. Today, there's not much news coming. Wait, what's this? Today, there's not much news coming out. We have looked at all these news coming from the Eurozone, from the pound. There are some news coming from the US, durable goods, but those of you who attended yesterday's session already know that these are not one of the major news that I looked at. All right, and because we're end of the week, let's look into next week's news. Nothing much to highlight next week. Okay, Monday, not super exciting, not a lot of news. Tuesday, Japanese CPI. Put it in the chat right now. I'm going to do a quick test for all of you who have attended. Japanese CPI, Euro CPI. Do we pay attention to those CPI numbers? What do you say? Yes or no? Inflation numbers from Japan and from the Eurozone. Do we want to care a lot about that? Okay, I hope you're answering. I'm not checking the chat. I hope you're answering. And then not much news. What you want to pay attention to is on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we have some GDP numbers coming from the UK. Some GDP numbers coming from UK. I'll tell you more about that next week. We also have a lot of Eurozone numbers. We have the US numbers, GDP numbers coming from the US, and also Canadian GDP numbers. So watch out next week, Wednesday. A lot of GDP numbers coming out next week, Wednesday. PMI numbers as well. And then you get a bit of a break, Mid-Autumn Festival. Are you sending me mooncakes? I will send you my address if you're sending me mooncakes. And then not much news, a lot of news, but not things that are going to move the market too much. All the way to Friday night, where we have 8:30 non-farm payroll numbers are going to be released, non-farm payroll numbers. Previously 1371K, expected 875K. I will be trading that news event. So with all this put together, what is the likely view of the Canadian US dollar? Okay, we've seen that the news are going to be a few spread out over this, well, over today and next week. Not much big impact news. Some GDP numbers coming out. I do think that it's going to be quite a technical period. So not a very fundamentally driven period. It's going to be more a technical period with your trades. What I mean by that is when we start looking at the chart. Okay, when we start looking at the chart, this is the US CAD on the H4 time frame. I will zoom it in a little bit. Okay, no, wait, before I do that, you can see that since July, even if we go as far back as July here, it's gone from 13647, about 13647, all the way down, almost 700 pips, almost 650 pips towards 1300. Okay, over the last couple of weeks, it has climbed back up, sitting at 13344 right now. That support / resistance level that we have is in play. Okay, at this point, this is the reason why I say that despite that lack of economic drivers, not a lot of news coming out for the CAD, or not a lot of news coming out for the US. At this point, we are likely to see quite a technical play. What I mean by technical play, this level 13344 could come into play, where we might see it break. If it does break below, what I mean by break below, if this candle closes below and below maybe even 13300, right? If it closes below 13300, you could be looking at about a 80 pip, 90 pip take profit level. Your stop loss might not have to be 60 pips. I would say your stop loss can be about 30 pips. Okay, so at below 1300, 30 pip stop loss, 90 pip take profit, you could be looking at that move downwards. There are many technical reasons that are telling me why we could see that move happening lower. Normal MACD already starting down. My fast MACD has already started moving down quite significantly. It looks like a retracement could happen. Even if it doesn't drop for that full 90, coming down about 60 pips could be quite possible, quite attractive if your stop loss is 30 pips. So scenario one, you could put it at 30 pip stop loss, 60 pip take profit. Maybe that might be a signal coming out in Traders Club and Telegram for that trade. You could even be looking at a 90 pip take profit level, all the way down towards 13205. So I think it looks like quite a nice trade downwards. Would I be looking to trade it up if it bounces back up from this level? Okay, so I'm looking at that move downwards. But if it struggles to break 13344, it's not going to happen quite soon. It's not going to happen very quickly because all indication looks like it's going to go down. It might bounce around here for a while. Before next week, you will see that if it struggles to break 13344, we might actually see it move higher. Okay, I would say 133. I would want to say 13370. 30, 40 pip stop loss, about a 90 pip, 100 pip take profit. So you're still looking at that 1:3 risk reward ratio, but you're going to need a lot more patience at 13370. Okay, and that's probably going to happen next week. Best case scenario is that this week or today we could see it come down, break below this level and trade downwards. Our alternative scenario is it struggles to break 13344 and then turn up towards 1350. Make sense so far? Okay. Thought someone sending me a signal. Nope. Soon said 1340 about that. What about 132510? Previous resistance became support. So Peter's asking about 1325. What 13251? About there. 1325. Yeah. So that was that first level that we're looking at. That 60 pips, 1325, probably a bit lower. Will price bounce at 132510? I'm not sure if it'll bounce at 13250. I think that it might hit towards 1324 something. So I think lower end of the 13251 level, more towards the 1324 something level. Okay, I hope that answers your question there, Peter. One other thing I want to share quickly is that this is why you need to get onto Traders Club. A lot of this, Jason here shared this 2 hours ago, US CAD. He's basically, you might look at it two ways. Either I'm basically sharing his trade ideas, or he's gone through the whole process and he's really picking up the way that we're looking at trades, looking at possible downward move, bearish inside bar on his zone, possible downward move. And that's one way you can use Traders Club. Post your ideas, post your analysis, get feedback. Use it as a sounding board, get feedback to know whether it's a good time to be, whether your trade idea is valid, to sell lower, or whether you think that it should bounce higher up. So I hope my analysis now has helped you as well, Jason, with your own analysis on the US CAD. Okay, fantastic. So Kenneth, you can take it back.
Yeah, thanks so much for the sharing session, Jin. Really like your sharing on the US CAD today, and especially the the LCMS Traders Club member. Do remember to register yourself for our NFP next Friday as well. So as we are coming close to this session, let me launch a poll over here to let us know what do you think. What do you think about this webinar? So by the way, a recording of this video will be uploaded to this LCMS YouTube channel. And I believe Jimmy is going to post up some links, some freebies for you guys where we have the Telegram group and all our website and everything can go through it. And also before you leave, please help us fill up this poll before you leave the session. So thanks you guys for joining today. I saw the link is up already, the YouTube channel, our Telegram channel, and also especially the LCMS Traders Club link as well. Remember to click it on it, then after that you guys can go through it as well. So thanks you all for joining. So I'll see you guys on next Monday where we'll be talking about Kiwi and Aussie. So I'll see you guys. Do take care. Have a great weekend and more green peeps ahead. Bye.